This is my drone. Today, I'm going to fly it over these sand flats, see what I can find. I'm currently waiting for the tide to come in. As I'm drifting down the system, this creek, I saw some flathead take off. So today, I'm going to be seeing if any of these fish are hungry. Now I know you guys love the drone shots. I'm waiting for the tide to come in, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be flying the drone around. Well, no luck with the Flattys, but I did see some nice marks on there and some interesting stuff kicking around. So today's weapon is same as last time. We're going to be using the same prawn again, same colour. Oh, you won't believe it. You will not believe it. I just scared off an absolute monster of a flatty. Absolute beast, but it was facing the wrong way. It was facing this way. They should be. Just got snipped, instantly snipped, just bang. Yep. Oh, what we got here? Yep. First fish of the day. Is that it's a mangrove. Is it a jack? It's a jack. Oh. The fish be wildin'. Sorry, Danny, but I had to do it. This is the first jack of the season for me. Hello, little buddy. Oh, they're so beautiful. Gorgeous. Well, first fish of the day, mangrove jack. Things are looking up. Look at that little eagle ray. Just sitting there. This was so subtle, I wasn't even going to strike. It's actually a big brim. It's not the biggest brim, but it's an alright brim, you know? Yeah, go on. There's a dead turtle. I think I saw that turtle yesterday sitting on the sandbank, but it was more, oh, we had a hit. Had a hit, but it just didn't quite get the hook right. Looks like we might catch a fish with a captive audience. Let's have a look what's going on at Turtle Town. Hello? Hang on a minute. I don't think he's dead. All right, back to the fishing. Step 1, undo the bail. Hey, that's a milkfish. Yeah, right. Apparently milkfish are terrified of prawns too, by the way. Oh, look at that. Big old queenfish followed it up. I'm not gonna really bother with it, to be honest with you though. Just a bit of a weird place to have a queenie though. This one's got a bit of yip to it. Bit of anger. Ah, grunter. Yes, I do love grunter. They don't love me back though. Sing me a song. Oh, it's beautiful. See you, buddy. He's too small to keep. What's this? Was that Barra? The turtle's moving. Oh, look at that. Turtle's moving. He's about to fall in the water. There he goes. Well, g'day there. It is now the very next day. Yesterday it was windy as today there's no wind at all. After yesterday, it wasn't the best day fishing, but I did see some big flatheads. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be flying the drone around. We're going to be getting the big old girl out because there are some big flatties around at the moment, and we're going to see if we can catch one. So we've got a freshie today. We're going to get this out of the box, unboxing style. So let's get the big boy camera out and let's film. All right, she is up in the air. Good news, everybody. We have found a big flatty on the move. Let's get ready to go. Have a go at this, right? This flatty, chilling, there's a stingray there, right next to these big schools of mullet. Oh, and there's the lay, that's from last time it was around here. Have a go at this, they're swarming it. They're literally swarming it. There's a big school of mullet, a couple of whiting as well, I think. Look at that. Just do not care. I don't give a stuff about you. I tend to find that after a flatty has been swarmed like that, they will move. So I've got the drone up super duper high because I know this could be a pretty intelligent flatty. So at the moment this flatty is heading to a oh no. I was waiting for her to bury herself. Because I wanted to be ready for a strike. Oh, here we go. She's probably going to go up next to this sandbank and bury herself. Watch this. That is so shallow right there. I can actually see it from here, that ripple that she just made. So that's how high up the drone is right now. Because it's a Mavic 3, it's got 7 times to 28 times zoom, so. She's facing the wrong direction, eh? She's not facing upstream. You can see actually all the other fish are facing upstream, like all the whiting around her at the moment. Oh, here we go. She's burying. Let's get a good look on this. So see, they use their back flippers, fins is the word, not flippers, golly. Not much energy, eh? Like, super lazy fish. That is so weird. So she's actually facing the wrong direction. So maybe they're waiting for an MMD whiting glide to drift past her, so that she can take off after it and chase it. I think that's exactly what's happening. Tell you one thing, the midgies are terrible today. Alright, we got a fresh one on there. Nope, she's still there. But we are going to jazz her up a bit with a bit of scent, just in case this is a very finicky flatty, and sometimes they can be. Yep. Oh, no. Look at her. Look at the size of her. Oh. That was interesting. She was definitely bigger than the last one that I caught. I'll have to go through the footage and have a look again, but I'm pretty confident that she had a go and felt the hooks. The drift was not perfect, and if it was right on top of her head as she was like landing there, she probably would have struck. Boy, they love this lure, eh? As soon as it goes past them, they just are after it. Oh no, that was her. Actually, that wasn't her. Wow, that just goes to show you cannot pick them, eh? Well, I think that is it for me for now. I will go home and charge the drone, however, and see what this wind does. It is supposed to be a ripper day. If the wind stays nice and calm like this, I will come back. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll help you out. It's right here. Make sure you hit that.